Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to find XAUUSD in TradingView. Trading enthusiasts and investors often need to track gold prices against the US dollar in real time. TradingView provides a user-friendly platform that makes this process simple and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, finding gold's live chart is just a few clicks away. Let's dive into it step by step. First, open up a TradingView chart. This will be your main workspace for analyzing and monitoring various financial instruments. Once you have the chart displayed, look towards the top left corner. Here, you'll see the current symbol name prominently displayed. It might already be set to something like a stock or another asset. This spot is crucial because it's your gateway to accessing different market instruments. Click on the symbol name, and you'll open up a new search interface within TradingView. This is where you'll enter the ticker you're interested in. For today, let's focus on XAUUSD. In the search bar that appears, type XAUUSD. This ticker symbol represents gold versus the US dollar, a key element for traders looking to speculate on or hedge against gold price movements. As you type, TradingView will display a list of relevant results. You might see different variations like XAUUSD or more descriptive results, such as gold spot US dollar, Oanda, and so on. These listings can come from various exchanges and data providers, such as Oanda, which is commonly used for forex data. Choose the one that best suits your needs. If you're unsure, selecting a widely recognized one is a good starting point, as it tends to provide reliable and up-to-date information. Once you have found the appropriate XAUUSD listing, click directly on it. This action will open the live chart for the gold-dollar price right before your eyes. This chart is dynamic, providing real-time updates, which is vital for anyone looking to make informed trading decisions. You can utilize the chart's features to conduct technical analysis, review historical price movements, and stay ahead of market trends. And there you have it. A straightforward way to access the XAUUSD chart on TradingView. By following these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for tracking one of the most watched commodity pairs in the world. As you continue to explore TradingView, you'll discover many tools and features that can further enhance your trading experience. Happy charting, and may your trading decisions yield positive results. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to find XAUUSD in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.